Hello everyone, you most welcome in this new brand video today. And today we are going to cover up 9 amazing tips of English learning journey. 9 amazing tips of English learning journey. So first tip is every day's reading, writing and listening will add benefits. We are going from bottom to top. It means you have to take a reverse gear with me today, please. Every day's reading, writing and listening will add benefits. If you want to learn English, then this is the basic and fundamental steps you have to follow, because most of the persons who learn this language follow this rule. So every day is reading is first step which you learn from your childhood. Reading, if you read every day, your pronunciation and your confidence must boost up. And second, writing, if you write every day something, then your writing flair would be also well. And third is listening. If you listen someone talking, then you must be able to learn how to pronounce a word accurately. So reading, writing and listening, it has to be every day without skipping. And second step is be consistent with regular practice to see result. If you want to see result, how you are going to be fluent in English, or to which extent are you able to speak English, then you must see this and follow this second step, that be consistent with regular practice. You should practice regularly. If you skip any day, then you are going to skip your practice. And second, after second, third step is choose regular common topics. Choose regular common topics. You don't have to dive into depth. You must choose a common topic, like your daily routine or your past bad experiences which you have gone through, and what you are going to do in your future, what your future planning. Any one of these topics you can take it. And fourth step is, if possible, practice talking with others. It is commonly seen, and it happens to every person, that they don't find a person, they don't find a partner with whom they could be able to speak. But yes, if possible, practice talking with others. If you find a person who is able to talk a broken English, means tutti frutti English, then you must practice with that person talking in English. And fifth step is evaluate your own self. Evaluate your own self. You must evaluate your own self, like what is your level, if you have reached on your next level or not. You must try to reach your next level. It has to be every day, by practicing, by reading, writing and listening, what step you are going to follow. But it has to be every day. Evaluate your own self. And sixth step is speak in front of camera. This is the tip that must work on you, I think. Speak in front of camera. It boosts up your confidence, and you must see how confident you are in speaking English. Seventh step is record yourself. Record your own voice and listen every day. Listen what mistake have you done, and you would be able to improvise your mistakes by recording your voice and listening again and again. Eighth step is talk with imaginary friend. Yes, this is very easiest topic. You must do it. Talk with imaginary friend. Imagine that someone is standing before you and you are talking with that person. Topic, any topic. You are just speaking with that imaginary person according to your own wish, according to your own resources. It doesn't matter to what topic you are going to take. And ninth and last step is, that is very beneficial, and it will definitely work on you, because it works on every person. I have seen it. Mirror talks. Stand before mirror and talk to yourself. Stand before mirror and talk to yourself. The wind is blowing hard, friends, and I have come out of my room, and I am in open space while making this video. But yes, no problem. I am feeling cool breeze. So yes, come to the point, please. Ninth step is mirror talks. Stand before a mirror and start talking to yourself. This is the best and superb tip that must work on you. So that's all what I want to share with you. I think you must follow these steps and see the result, see the miracle, guys. So see you next tomorrow. Bye bye. Have a nice day.